ambulance. It's an ambulance. It's an ambulance.
Good job. What are you making, Aiden?
Not to know.
Put your hand. Okay.
Snatcher.
What is this?
Hi.
Okay.
Oh no. Look.
Wow. What are you trying to make? Oh, put more glue on this, so put more glue. Wow, good job. Is this face? Huh?
No.
What is that exactly?
Go. Go.
What are you making? What are you making, Aiden?
Happy face.
Wow. It's already glued, right?
Loose.
What do you call this?
Number.
What? This one? This one?
Blue.
Nowadays, this is his favorite activity. Do you like it? This activity better than cutting scissors? Using scissors to cut papers? And coloring? You like it? You like this activity better? Or the same? Drawing, writing.
Look. Look, look, look. Look, 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 look.
Happy face, ah. Okay. Thank you. What are you doing, Aiden?
Making fire face.
Which face?
Pun. See?
Do you like it?
Yeah. See now?
Okay, that's great. What do you like about it? It's messy?
No.
So what do you like about it?
Fire face.
Does it look like, does it looks like snowman? What is that fair face you were saying? Huh?
See?
Wow. Blow it a little bit so that it will be, yes, like that. Is that the lips? What is that?
Pun.
Tongue? If it's tongue, it's like this, huh? So it should be like, you know, like, make it like, vertical, like this, Aiden. Oh, it's difficult na. Change. Wow. They're very keen on this. Enough now. What you can do is you can spread it out. Spread it out. That white one. Glue. You should have. Blow it first so that it can be dried a little bit. Wow, good job. Okay, you can just... Okay, don't touch it then. Okay, I'll leave you to it. Good job. Wow. A little bit only, huh? Don't put too much. Wow, two-story house you're gonna do? Well, you have to have another block here if you want to put it up. Not like that. Can you do that there? I don't think so. Maybe here on the other side here.
Yeah.
But here, as far as I know, you can do like this here. You can try again, put it back on. Good job. Oh. You can put it here like this, oh.
No, here.
Okay. Is that your roof?
Ta-da!
See, the doorknob is inside. It should be outside.
Huh?
The doorknob.
Enough?
Yes, like this. Oh, it should be like this. And also that, yes, arrange that as well. Good job. Very good, Aiden. Well done. Wow. Wow.
Look, make a house.
It's a house? I would like to see. Can I see it? Can I see it?
Yeah, here.
Show Mama your new house.
Yeah, here. Ta-da!
It's cute.
What's missing?
Yes. Put some roof there. That one's gonna fit there.
Where roof go? Where? Here. Here.
Wow, you have another roof there.
What's missing?
What do you think is missing?
Oh no, it's gone!
Which one is gone?
Cage.
Cage? Why do you need cage in the house? For the dog?
Here. Dog. Go inside. Woof, woof. Woof, woof. Go inside too. Woof, woof.
Eden, you're so cute. Can you kiss Mama? That's the dog. No, kiss Mama. Here. No, not the dog. You. Kiss Mama. Wow. So cool. And you have there the dog set up inside. What else you have there at the back?
Floor.
Floor? You have more? Oh, you extended more there.
Look, floor.
Yeah, his first house.
Another floor.
Another floor. Wow, extended his floor there.